It has certainly been a while since I've gotten on here. I am going to grab a cup of coffee and then we can chat about some updates. We're going to talk about bus updates, life updates, and just what's going on the farm. This is one of my favorite places at our house in the winter. Just cozying up next to the fire. Just feels so good, especially when it's 20 degrees and snowing out. Last time we uploaded a video, it was still pretty warm outside. We were still working on the bus and all of a sudden we dropped off the face of the earth. So what had happened was we kind of had to halt the bus stuff because the weather started to turn quickly and I found out I was pregnant. So we're really excited, but it was not planned. So it kind of took us some time to wrap our heads around this whole new plan of ours. We're having a baby girl. She's gonna be here around June 30th. So I'm about 21 weeks pregnant right now. And pregnancy has been extremely hard. I have been super sick. I am still sick, throwing up every day, probably TMI, but moms out there, you're gonna appreciate what I've been going through. It's just been very, very challenging. That's been going on. And Andrew's been taking on the bulk load of taking care of Colton and doing all the other things because I've just not been feeling well. I also have very little energy and I'm actually in some pain. It's just been really hard. And the weather has been really iffy. So our next step for the bus is actually to start putting in the floors. And because we cannot get a consistent week of warm weather, we're not going to attempt to put in the floors and then have it be 10 degrees because it's just not going to be good for the floors. So that's kind of where we're at when it comes to the bus. We're still doing the bus. We still plan on building that out. It's going to take a little longer than we anticipated just because now we're going to have a newborn in the mix come June. I'm excited. I think a little girl is going to be so much fun. And we were planning on adopting anyways, so it's just changing our plans a little bit. One is definitely manageable. One parent can be watching while the other one's working, vice versa. A lot of times he can just entertain himself, but bringing a newborn into the mix is going to definitely change our family dynamic. With that being said, Andrew also started a new job. Hopefully I might be able to stay home with the kiddos. That's super exciting, and I just keep praying that plan comes to fruition because that's something that I really would love to do, is be able to spend time with them. And I feel like I lost out a little bit with Colton on that. I had to go back to work after 12 weeks and then I just felt I don't know, I just missed that time of him being a baby. So hopefully this time I can stay home and be a stay-at-home mom for a little bit. I will never not do some sort of project, so I'm going to continue to do the YouTube thing, and I really think this channel is going to shift a little bit. As we're going to continue working on the bus, those videos will obviously still come out. Parenting, that sort of stuff is probably going to be in the mix too, just because I love doing these videos and I love filming and editing, and I don't want to restrict it all to just bus stuff because, to be honest, we're not going to be able to put out videos the way I want to with just that sort of content. And we don't just do the bus. If you guys don't know, we also own a farm, and we had recently shifted away from all of the farm stuff. We had gotten rid of our goats, gotten rid of our cows. We lost all of our chickens due to a predator, and we're just now kind of dabbling back into that. We got great. 2 piglets. They're going to be last weekend for protein, so we're going to butcher them come fall. We have our Frenchie. She just got bred. Have pups come 2 weeks from now, so we're going to have puppies, and I want to do a video on bringing the puppies home and that sort of stuff because I think that'll be really fun. And I love seeing Colton with animals. I think he's just such a loving, caring little kid that seeing him with these puppies is going to be so cute. So life has completely changed since the time we last saw you. to say the least. Winter has definitely gotten to the best of us. We are ready to get outside, and I've started planning out my garden already, so I'm going to do videos on gardening. So really, because the things that have taken place in the last few months, Andrew getting a new job, finding out we're having a baby, things are kind of shifting, and we're still planning on doing the bus, like I said. For the near future, that is going to be an RV getaway kind of thing. We're not going to move on to it full time, unless for some like magic miracle reason we win the lottery and we're able to afford that, which would be amazing. With me trying to stay home with the baby, we just have to really figure out what's most important. And I've been watching a lot of bus videos, and so many of the people that I watch who like are diehard live on your bus people have actually started to like shy away from that, and they're getting an actual home. And I think that's more realistic. Honestly, for us, we always said like it would be nice to move onto this bus and travel full time. But to be honest, like Andrew and I both have anxiety, and I think the idea of not having a home base would literally throw us over the edge, because I just like a place to come home to. Like, what happens if your bus breaks down and like there literally goes your home and your vehicle? Like, there's no, I don't know, that freaks me out. So I think we're going to take it baby steps, getting that bus done, and then we can take it on some short trips. And then if in the future our finances allow and we're able to go for 6 months or whatever, that would be amazing. That would be the dream. So I just wanted to pop on today to give you guys a life update, let you know what's going on. We're still alive. We're still kicking. We have just some bumps in the road, but we will be back. I'm going to plan on doing weekly videos. Like I said, a lot of you guys I know have subscribed for bus content, and that will come. It's just we're in the middle of winter and we really cannot do anything on the bus, and I want to continue to put out videos. Until then, I'm going to be making some how-to videos. I'm going to get into sourdough. I know I have an old sourdough video that got quite a few views, so I'm going to try a new sourdough recipe. I'm going to put some more recipes out. We're going to do some more family stuff. Content is coming for sure, but it's going to change a little bit. And I know the bus videos are so fun and we love doing them, but we just have to wait for the weather to break. If you guys are interested in any sort of video, if you're looking for more like farm stuff or gardening or anything, let me know in the comments, because I would love to put those videos out. I do have some gardening videos out, some farm videos, so you can check that all in the playlist. But I'm so glad that we are back on here. I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm able to like make it through a full video without getting sick, which is an accomplishment for me. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you again next week. Bye guys.